guys, Ultimate Collector Toto here. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another very special review. Because as you see here, you guys, today we're reviewing this beautiful, awesome, life-size Trick or Treat Studios Good Guy doll. I can't believe I have this. I finally got it because to tell you the truth, you guys, I was gonna start getting the Trick or Treat Studios Good Guy doll and the other dolls that Trick or Treat Studios is gonna come out with after I receive the NECA Chucky doll, because I thought it was supposed, to come out in February, and then they changed it to, summer, fall, and now early 2021. But now it looks like it's not gonna come early 2021. I don't know. They keep changing the dates. So on other retails, I already did a video on that, so go check it out. So because of that, I decided to go and start getting the Good Guy Chucky doll, Trick or Treat Studios doll, and then work my way up there to get the Seed of Chucky, Tiffany and Glenn, and of course the new Ultimate Chucky and the plush Good Guy doll when they come out. I still have my pre-order on NECA, but I just want to get my intention off of that because they are taking so long. So that's why I finally gonna start buying the Trick or Treat Good Guy dolls. I can't wait for NECA, but I don't even know if I already gave up on them. But there you guys, today we're reviewing this beautiful, awesome Trick or Treat Studios Good Guy doll unboxing and review. And as you can see here, there's the box. Says play partners toys, ages 14 and up. Collect all the Good Guy accessories, and I do have the bib, I do have the helmet, and the hammer and the cereal box. I do need the one-to-one Good Guy box that they came out with. I still need to get that and other Trick or Treat Studios stuff. But I'm really happy to have the accessories, and I'm very happy that my Good Guy doll, well, the Trick or Treat Studios Good Guy doll comes with a replica box, and he looks beautiful in there too. This side, you guys, he says he wants you for a best friend. He can be a construction worker, he can be a brave Indian, and a fearless fireman. Batteries not included. I believe it should say batteries is included, but this isn't the one-to-one accurate. You can buy a one-to-one accurate box from Trick or Treat Studios separately, which I need to get. But it's still awesome, still a beautiful box. I love the graphic, I love the design. It's beautiful and it's still good and accurate. And there's the back of the box. Says good guys, he wants you for our best friend. Let him show you secrets again. It's so beautiful. It says hi, I'm a good guy, let's play. Contains one Good Guy doll, play partners toys. It is beautiful. I love it so much. And here's the other side. It says good guys, he wants you for a best friend. He could be a cowboy, a crazy soldier, a doctor, and a superstar baseball player. Batteries not included, play partners toys. But hey, and again, really love the box. It's beautiful. And as you can see, you guys, this is what it says out the top. It says good guys, he wants you for a best friend. And as you can see right here, you guys, it says it's from Trick or Treat Studios. This is the Good Guy box, that's the bottom, and yeah, beautiful and simple. Alright, you guys, so I just took the Good Guy doll out of the box, as he has that thing inside the box to keep him not from falling and stuff, keep him secure while shipment. He had a little latch thing at the back of the box, which I thought was really cool. And again, there he goes. But it had a little latch thing at the back of the box, which I thought was very cool and very accurate to the movie. Now that's actually a good example. There's Chucky. Now let me sit him down for now. So he's made it out of foam. And as you saw by that, he can sometimes stand by himself, but you really need to know how to balance him. But other than that, he can stand on his own because of the foam. So I think you guys will need a stand to actually prop him up. So yeah, you will need maybe a Good Guy stand, like a stand. Maybe you can customize it, make it look good, a Good Guy stand to actually make him prop him up, and actually for sure no, he won't fall down. But again, he's so beautiful. As you can see, he has the Good Guy shoes, amazing accurate Good Guy shoes, plastic with the shoelace, and there's the bottom of the shoes. It's beautiful, very awesome. He has actual knitted cuffs And he comes with socks, which is so adorable. And same thing with the other one. Yes, socks, so adorable. Actual corduroy and actual pocket and buttons. They don't function as buttons, but they're still beautiful. As you see, this is actually a Gen 1 Good Guy doll, just to let you know, you guys. But yeah, you can move the hands 360, which is awesome. He does do that sound. He's foam, you guys, so he's very awesome. And there he is. He does come with a hairnet. You can't take it out though. And you will need to style his hair because, you know, he came in box hair. But he's beautiful. Look at his good guy eyes. And he's $500, you guys, from 𝒂𝒄𝒌 Studios. So he's beautiful. Now his hair is beautiful. He's very awesome. It's not NFT hair. I do have a Good Guy doll, another one that does have NFT hair. It's quite different, but it's still a beautiful wig. And that's where I should talk about the plush Good Guy doll that 𝒂𝒄𝒌 Studios will be coming out with. Now, it won't have actual corduroy on the sweater. It will be printed. And it will still have, you know, Good Guy shoes. Maybe it will have socks, maybe not. But he will have painted eyes. This one has inserted eyes. And it will have much cheaper wig. And it will be plush, not posable, like a rag doll, I believe. This one, it's posable, as you can see right now. And it is beautiful. It's quite hard, but yeah, it's awesome. And this is ball joined, because this is a Gen 1 Good Guy doll. And there's the back of the doll, you know. You can take this off, and it will reveal the foam. Which I hope he won't fall, but I'll show you guys right now. There. Can take it out and it will reveal the foam. So yeah, guys, he does not have a battery pack. It's just foam, which is very awesome. But you guys gotta be careful because, you know, foam, he will rip if you pose him too much. You can make it straight, just like yeah, he's folding. Anyway, you can make his thing straight, just like Seed of Chucky, Curse on Cold, and maybe a bit from the series. But you can make him cross, just like the first 3 films, The Bride, and a bit from the series. Because in the series, he had sometimes cross and sometimes straight. But I think so anyway. But yeah, you can do whatever, and he is just awesome, and he is perfect. Now I wish I can actually like pose him for you guys a bit and like show, you know, take his clothes off, show you guys how the foam looks like and all that stuff. But you know, I can do that with one hand. And again, when I try and pose him, you know, it's hard. He just keeps on falling, so I apologize for that. But you guys, you know, so I bet you guys saw reviews on him already on YouTube. So yeah, you should already know him. But yeah, he's a beautiful doll. If you don't have him, I do recommend him. If you can get him, get it, because he's worth every penny, and he's beautiful, perfect doll. Definitely one of the best mass-produced Good Guy dolls out there. So yeah, he is awesome, and I love him so much. But yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, small review. You know, he kept on falling, that was hilarious. But hey guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget, guys, to keep on collecting. Bye.
Hi, I like to be hugged.
I have no friends. No one will play with me.
Uh-oh. There's a friend in need. Hey, cheer up.
Who are you?
I'm a good guy. I've just come from the Good Guy Clubhouse, and I'll be your friend to the end.
You will? You mean you'll be my friend now?
Sure I will.
Heidi-ho! Ha ha ha!
Hi, I like to be hugged. Hi, I'm Chucky, and I'm your friend to the end. Heidi-ho! Ha ha ha!
Subscribe, damn it. I'll be back. I always come back, and so should you moron.